Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay guys, today we are cleaning. I actually was literally speed cleaning this day. I was doing the bare minimum in each room, just trying to make it look good because I was going to be recording my fall home tour. And, I wanted everything to look super nice and, put together. I'm also adding at the end of the video, me organizing my shoe closet. Guys, it was a complete disaster. I was so overwhelmed when I was doing this, but at the end, I was so happy that I did it. It needed to be done I think it was like that for like a year and a half. No, I'm lying. Probably like half a year, but it felt like a year and a half. Anyways, I hope that you guys get motivated to get something done in your home, and make sure to check out my fall home tour. I really love how my home came out this year, if you haven't already watched that. And thank you so much for all of your support, and I love you guys. Enjoy.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
When I was cleaning my mirrors that I literally had like enough spray to probably clean 1.5 mirrors. I was so mad. I did get more that day, but I was kind of frustrated because my kids use it as like a all-purpose cleaner, and I'm like, no guys, this is just for glass, please. And I have a million mirrors in this house, so I need glass cleaner. It's a must in this house. But I ended up being able to do the 2 big mirrors, and I was satisfied enough with that, until I get the new one. But yeah, that was a little scary because I was like, oh my gosh, I don't have anything to clean my mirrors with. Anyways, okay, I'm done being dramatic.
Felt I'm done with the defense.
I'm gonna add some orange essential oils because it prevents bugs from getting in your house, and it smells good.
So you were shrugging your shoulders, I'm close what I told ya. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Riding on the dizzying highs. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together.
Okay guys, so this is the before of this closet. There's just too much. I know I look crazy, I was sweating. There's just too much going on in there. People go in there for a lot of different things. There's no room, so it just ends up really bad. And it's right next to the living room, so any time I have like, oh, I just need to put this away really quick, I'll throw it in there, you know? So it's not a functioning closet. So I am going to take everything out and find new homes for everything and try and make it work.
Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on the dizzying heights.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast.
Okay, I still have to take those out, but this is the closet empty. It's a pretty big closet. I mean, it looks small in the camera, but it's not. It's a decent sized closet. So I think I'm gonna put the shoe rack on that wall. And then I'm gonna do a different shelf that I have in my laundry room here. And then probably try and leave this empty so that we can have room.
I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it
Okay, so that's how the shelf is right now. I don't know if it's gonna stay there. Let me think.
And I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter.
What I'm thinking is I'll do my boots up there because we don't use boots like that, and then do my regular shoes here, have all of our games and arts and crafts stuff here, and then leave all this space empty. I would ideally like to build shelves and stuff, but we're not doing that right now. It's just not the right time, but eventually that's what I would like. But for now, I'm just trying to organize this better. So let's try that and see how. Okay, so I'm gonna go through my shoes and put the ones that I'm keeping over here and the ones that I'm getting rid of over there.
When it starts, I tell them I would do it all for you. saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna na 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
The current mess that I have. I feel overwhelmed, to say the least.
I know we never gonna look back.
Okay, so I got these baskets that I put on the shelves. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and divide everything and see if I can get it into these bins alone. Okay, so here is the after. It feels so much better, and we have all this extra space before you can even walk in here. This is the shelf. I know where everything is, and it's easily accessible. And then my shoes, I can reach them a lot better. And I just have my boots up there. But I'm so excited.
Even though I lose control,